Spiders. Lots of spiders. Come on now. Hello, scamper. You don't live in the country unless you got a gate. So you have to open every time by hand. And we're off. Where we're at right now is we are just behind our property on some trails we carved, and we haven't been back here in a while, religiously anyway, and it's getting a little grown up. Usually it's a little more cut back, but back there where we're headed is a little creek. And I like creeks. I am going to have to walk down there first before I drive down there. It's kind of one way, and at the end of it is some black mud. But we're gonna try to fill her up. Rocks, sticks, driftwood. Should have brought shoes. I'm already regretting that. Oh, it'll be alright. Famous last words, right? So the last day or so, I've been kind of cleaning my recent finds. Some of them I've bleached, some of them I've left raw, and what I'm going to do is on my Etsy store, you can add variations to your products, and this is more like when you're selling t-shirts, but I think I can go in there and add raw wood and add variations for carvings or, you know, bleached and whatnot. I think that'd be kind of spiffy. Yeah, this is a little more grown up than I was expecting. Lots of spideys, lots of stickies. Oh yeah. What the hell was that? I don't know, but we're gonna figure it out. Couldn't have been a bear. We ain't got no bears out here. that way, I think. Where am I supposed to go here? I think it was a deer. Hopefully it was a deer. What the hell? This isn't the way I'm supposed to go. It is super grown up. So grown up, I don't know where I'm going. Hey, found the black mud. So it's that way. Little Spidey. See him? Try to step over him. Oh, poison ivy, where are you at? Dang, it's grown up back here. Well, maybe that way. Maybe right where the deer was. Deer. Oh, Lord. That looks awful pathy to me. I wonder if this is where it was. Oh yeah, we're already getting bumps on our hands. It means it's a good trip. Okay. Ow, that hurt. Oh, yes. Definitely shoopy. You can't see it, but I'm going down to my ankles here. Oh my gosh. You know, even if I didn't wear shoes, a shirt might have been a good idea. It's not a question of if I'm going to get ticks, it's how many. So that's exciting. Let's see, check this guy out. Oh, that's a true stump there. Oh yeah. I'm gonna have to come back here with cutters. So I live close to a military base. That's fun. I really should have worn shoes. Get to see planes all the time. Ay, ay, ay. How am I gonna get through here? What's scary is all this stuff that looks like you can totally walk on it. You can't walk on it. You'll sink a good foot into the ground. It's water. Or soup. But the creek's right there. Like, it's right there. And maybe if I can get up there, I can come back the way I'm supposed to. That's my excuse. That's what I'm sticking to. That's pretty funky, isn't it? You hear this? Straight water. Oh yeah, this is freaking sucky. How did I get myself stuck into this? I'm just gonna walk across right in the middle. Which actually, that's working pretty good. We're gonna walk right in a soup. How about that? Worst case, we fall and I catch it on camera. Oh, this freaking sucks. Oh, there's real soupy here. Like I said, famous last words. Now there are, oh good Lord, there are coyotes out here. Be pretty unfortunate if that's what I heard a minute ago. Because he's gonna bring his friends. It'd be alright. Yeah, it'll be alright. Oh, that's deep. Why is this so wet when the creek is so down? Yeah, Yeah, it was stupid not to bring shoes out here. So, creek. Let's see. It's hot. That is some stagonito water. Usually it's, you know, just above that log. It's moving. How about them apples? They're definitely appley. Well, this sucks. I'm out in the middle of nowhere, stepping in a bunch of stuff I probably shouldn't be stepping in. How do I get that way? I can cross like an idiot. That sounds fun. It's warm. Oh, it's very warm. Ooh, shoopy on the bottom too. Very shoopy. It's so easy to collect driftwood. You just pick up wood. You don't have to fight coyote, bear, deer, or anything like that. So easy. That's pretty sweet. Look at that. It'd be kind of nice if this log jam wasn't here, so I don't mind disturbing it. Oh boy. Now what I don't want to do is slip on it. Yeah. This is how you get gonorrhea right here. But that's usually where, like, we enter the creek. Like, just where that log is coming in the water. It's where we usually come down, so... I mean, the kids have all walked through here, so I know I won't die. I'll just get hurt, you know? Baby steps. Baby steps. Spiky steps. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Oh, it's kind of in there. I feel bad for pulling it. That's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. We're gonna go ahead and take that one. Once again, folks, private land. And, you know, this is big log jam. We don't really want it there in the first place, so pulling from it isn't the end of the world. That is in the ground. How about this guy? That's part of that log. Okay. Spiky steps, one at a time. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Ha! That hurt. There's a lot of sticks on the bottom. It's not sand, it's sticks. Fudge, man. Feels like something cool beneath my foot, though. Hey, something cool. There's a lot of cool stuff beneath my foot that I wish wasn't there because it hurts. So let's check out that guy. Good Lord, is that another board? Or is that a log? Oh, it's just a, you know, just a log. Ha. Are we gonna start a ha counter? Because it's coming. Little baby guy. I like that. Even though this water looks stagnant, it moves. It moves fast when it's, you know, when it's rained for a week straight, and it'll be all the way up to here, over the banks, really. This root, oh, it's trying to trip me. It's huge. It's all the way out here. You know, so are the water moccasins that are gonna friggin' get me. I just hope I don't fall because my cellular is in my back pocket. Hey, that guy kind of looks pretty cool. Oh, I'm not really afraid to keep walking. I'm just afraid of what I'm gonna step on. It's super spiky down here. The whole bottom looks like that. Or feels like that anyway. Where'd he go? Is that it, Hill? Was that it, Hill? Oh, it's just bark. Okay. This hurts. Hi. Get out of here. Shoot, that's what they want me to do. You're a human. You don't belong back here. I know, I know. Wow. That's a big old boy. Let's try to pull him out. So this is a cool looking piece. And I find these often. God, that's really cool. I find these often, but they're so darn heavy. They're like $100 to ship. I'm gonna set it to the side because I would like to bring it back, but I don't really have a path. It's all shrubbery and spiky sticks. Oh, it's going down there. It's going down. I'm yelling airplane. Little bit of water to cool me down. Stinks right here. So there's cool driftwood everywhere. I mean, look at this stump that, I mean, it's a stump, it's not going anywhere, but it's been eroded. It's just so pretty. But can't take it, you know? What about that? Oh my gosh. We gon' die. Let's see. Nope, yeah, that was scary for no reason. About to fall. So all that has grown up. All that used to be flat, or we cut it flat. And we didn't come back here because it was cold. It was winter. And now it's here. There's a little bit of sand right there. I'll step on that sand right there. What sucks is I can't see in the water, and I mean it's full of sticks. So if I just, oh hey, take another step, I'm done. And what's really sucky is I can feel there's so much cool stuff underneath here. Look at that. I did not plan that at all. That's awesome. There's so much cool stuff under here, but I can't see it. And I'm scared to step on it. Here, I'm gonna do bark side down, so if it breaks anything, it'll land on the bark. I mean, there's all kind of cool stuff. And look at this guy. It's so pretty. But how am I gonna ship that, you know? I'm not. I just can't. That's heavy. You know it's hot outside when you're standing in the middle of the water, sweating, and your GoPro turns off. Because the GoPro's like, nah, I done had it. I get it, GoPro. I get it. Oh, look at that little nugget. See that? I just picked it up as a stick, but there's a little nugget. That's pretty. Something about stuff and the sunshine shining. Cowboy baby. Big old piece of driftwood hiding. Yeah, cowboy baby. That's a good taxidermy piece right there. I'm panning for driftwood, folks. I'll be darned, there's some driftwood underneath there. Man, that's nice. Oh, just stabbing the bottom of my feet. You know, there's a bunch of these pieces, but those aren't fancy. We're looking for fanciness. Because the fish don't know any different. But the humans do. Oh, that's pretty. It's real pretty. Check that out. Alright. Oh, I'm just feeling the bottom. Just feeling the bottom. Big old roddy log. Hollow. That's kind of cool. Some fish is gonna love that. I want to get over there, but golly, it's gonna take me 30 minutes. What I need to do is go back to the side by side and then go home, get some hedge trimmers. Need to hedge this place. Well, we came from over there and we got here. Oh Lord, now we got to go back. I don't know how we're gonna do that, because you seeing what I'm seeing? That's a lot of greenery. But we're gonna make it happen somehow. Probably with an injury involved, but you know, maybe a snake or two. Oh, probably a lot of snakes. Go away. Now the question is, do I carry some of this with me? Or do I just leave it here? I think I'm gonna leave it here. I don't need to be fumbling. I need to be focused so I don't die. But yeah, there used to be just a straight path from here right to the side by side, and now it's not straight. And covered with spiders and scary noises and probably stuff I shouldn't be touching, but I'm not a plantologist, so I don't know any better. Ow! There's spikes on that stuff. Yeah, I mean, it's right through there, and then like that way. was. Are you a bad guy? I don't know. Ow! Alright, you professional outdoorsmen, don't be judging me. I know I should have like a machete or something. Oh, that's nice. Look at that. It's rotty though. Now we'll bring it with us. This will be our plant destroyer. Ah! Ah! You know? This didn't lead me to where I thought it would lead me. It'll be alright. We'll go that way, I guess. Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. A little bit of ferns. Whole bunch of spiders. You just gotta forget about the spiders. They're gonna crawl on you whether you like it or not. So you just kinda gotta deal with it. Especially in the south of the Georgia when you don't have a damn shirt on. Pardon my water blocking language. Okay. Yeah, so here's my little spot where I was. I came from over there, I think. Oh, okay. Yeah, see all my footsteps. That are my aggressor's footsteps. Cowboy baby, getting stung up by some bees and some stuff. Hey, you see how deep the holes are? No joke, I'm literally sinking like almost to my knees. Well, hey, it's a bird guy. One of them guy birds. Well, I'm gonna head back to the house. I'll get some hedge clippers and go to town back here. I'll try to bring a couple of batteries. That way, I can trim her up without stopping. Ooh. But, yeah, so that's part one, I reckon. Next video I post, all this should be kind of clear. We'll be getting those treasures we pulled out of the water. I'm excited about the big one that was about this big. It was kind of concave. You could taxidermy a couple fish, put them inside there. Ooh, that'd be great. But all right, on to the next one.